Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're doing this video on this Rislone Hyper Fuel Complete Fuel System Cleaner. If you guys have used this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It's selling for like 13 bucks at Walmart. Proven technology, hyper performance, professional formula. Cleans harmful deposits from injectors, valves, and combustion chambers. Restores lost power. Gotta be honest, guys. I like Rislone stuff. I've used Rislone engine treatment, and I've had some pretty good luck with it. I think I've used Rislone transmission, transmission treatment, and that worked. So I'm a fan of Rislone stuff, and you know what? This bottle used to say like guaranteed to keep internal. You say you could use it on warranted vehicles and doesn't void out the warranty. It used to say that on there. I don't know if it used to say it on here. I don't actually see it on here. But if you guys have used this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether it works or not, whether it works well. I'm sure it works, to be honest with you. I've used Rislone stuff on like a couple of vehicles, actually, not just one, a couple of vehicles and a couple of different engine parts, and it's worked fine. It's from my own personal experience anyway. Fuel injected, direct injected, turbo, GTDI, carbureted, unleaded premium, ethanol, all that stuff. For 12 bucks, I'll take a chance on it. It doesn't really say like whether it's for like high mileage engines or not, but if I had like an engine with like 150,000 miles on it and it's acting up on me, having issues, a little bit loss of power, weird idling issues, I might consider. I definitely would consider trying something like this. I would definitely consider trying something like this. But if you guys have any comments on it, definitely leave a comment in the comments section. I mean, there's not like a shortage of this stuff. There's like Techron, you've got Lucas, Duralube, Max Clean, all that stuff. I'm sure I'll just get around to all these other ones. But if you guys have a comment on this, whether it's worked for you, whether it hasn't, whether it's done a good job, whether it hasn't done a good job, whether you've got like a little bit of some good use out of it. I mean, you can't be like 13 bucks. I mean, you guys know, like even like getting your car checked out would cost you like $60-$70, sometimes 90 bucks at but yeah, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know whether this works or not. It's a decent price. Can't knock the price on stuff like this. So leave a comment in the comment section, guys. Right, take care.